It's time to talk markets, and Mr. David Adonri is joining me via phone. He's the Vice Chairman of HighCap Securities Limited. Mr. Adonri, if you can hear me, good afternoon, sir. How are you today, and what is your reaction to the trading pattern that we've seen in recent times?
Okay, thank you very much. Very happy to be with you. You know, since the beginning of the week, the equities market has enjoyed a dramatic turn around. We've seen equities recovering lost ground. And however, there are still some concerns relating to the recent monetary policy, wherein the interest rate has been hiked a little bit up. And we are also seeing the fact that there are other negative factors that are still affecting the economy, like the devastating flood. The impact is still yet to completely disappear. You know, so even though the market has turned around, probably because it has reached a resistance level, there are still threats to the situation being sustained into the immediate future as a result of the interest rate hike, which will make financial assets to migrate away from equity in the interim, whether with the impact of the flood. So it's still not uhuru yet for the equities market, but what the equities market, the threat that will be facing the equities market is likely to be positive for the debt market. You know, the primary issue of Sukuk is on the offering now, and so it's another plus for the debt market. So as financial assets migrate away from equities, they will have a safe haven in the debt space, assisted by the primary market issue of Sukuk, together with the interest rate hike.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Adonri. It's always interesting having you help us break down figures from the exchange. Effiong, take it away from there. What is your reaction?
Truly, it is very nice that the market goes on the path of price recovery.
Yeah.
At the beginning of the week, I was saying that if we could have positive trades for 3 days, then the market would have been on a way to, take something high. You see, Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Today. So
yes.
Today's performance, very, very great. 2.88%, nearing 3%.
Very significant.
It's very, very significant. And on the back of big companies making huge gains, talk of Dangote Cement, Boa Cement, Access Corporation, Cadbury, Dangote Sugar, there are so many of them. So these big cap securities are able to hold the markets, in the positive trade. And it also improved on volume, 185 million units that we trade, valued close to 2 billion naira. So if the markets, able to perform like this in the weeks to come, then we would have gone very far to recover the lost grounds that we have seen since August or September. But following what Mr. Adonri has said, we cannot yet jubilate, because we've got to watch out till the end of the year and then see the direction that trade will go, especially the response of the markets to political activities. That would be very, very key, between now and December ending. And so we've seen the banks and manufacturing companies taking huge positions since the beginning of this week. Manufacturing companies, I can understand, they want to stock up their warehouses, preparing to make Christmas sales. So that's good. If they have infrastructure, supporting the activities, a way to, make the economy to pick up. Then the banks are taking their traditional role. You know that by next month ending, industry year end, we will expect that to happen. So they are adding up activities to all stay in the positive trade. Everyone, including households, individual investors, companies, everyone is struggling, strategizing how to survive the hardship in the economy. And so that's where it is.
I must thank you so much, Effiong, for your insights and contribution as usual.
Today it is a pleasure.
All right, then. Well, let's go outside.